What is up? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you know, this is my 2006 Range Rover, and I'm just slowly trying to restore this back to glory. So what we're doing today, a couple of things. We are doing the lock motor, and yeah, at least I got a free tool out of this deal too. Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. Ooh. There he is, the 4.4. But we're not here for that. We are here for that right here. We're going to pop this guy open right here. I don't know why I closed the door, but you know. And then we're going to take this guy apart somehow. But it should be pretty easy, hopefully. It's really dark in here and black, so I can't really see. So we're gonna finally take this guy off. He's been hanging out for dear life since I got. There we go. Alright, I'm assuming that you take this guy off first. So that's what we're gonna do. Somehow. Take this guy off. Alright. Hopefully I don't break all the plastic stuff on in here. So I'm literally the king at breaking things. I don't like having that title, but I own it. Ooh, that came off nice. I mean, what's underneath isn't so nice, but you know. Alright, time to glove up. That sounded weird, but glove up. Let's take this guy out. And 1,000 mosquitoes out here, you know, because it wouldn't be. I wonder if there's anything under here. I wonder. Yep, there is a guy under there. There looks like a. I had a mosquito spray, I don't know where it went. Alright. Alright. Just gotta pop this guy out. Alright. Seems pretty basic. Basic. Let's get the new jump. Here's the new jump. Hopefully it's the right part. Because you know me, I always get like the wrong jumps lately. Alright. I don't know how this old one goes. Dude, look at all these mosquitoes. Lord have mercy. I haven't the light would definitely work too, right? Jeez, why can't I get this guy out? There we go. That guy was swollen, guy. I mean, all this would have been nice if it just came together, you know? It's weird that it's all apart and it's up to me to figure it out, you know? It's kind of weird to me. Huh. Alright. We have some guys to take out, guy. Sorry, I apologize if you guys can't see. That's my bad. I gotta detail this guy next. Somehow I can slide in there a lot easier. Oh, this is probably the hardest part. Getting that rubber thing to slide in here. Alright, well, let's take a break from that because it's really hot in there. Alright, come on, guy, where'd you go? Alright, got that guy through there. Now all we gotta do is connect this guy. Alright, we gotta push that guy in there. Gotta push that guy in there. You know, probably sick and tired of me calling everything guy, huh? Come on, man. Why is this coming out so easily? Why are you coming out so easily? You can't be coming out so easily. Alright, hopefully that's that. Let's Just gotta keep shoving this guy in there. Like, guy, come on, guy. No wonder it was so hard to get it out. It's so hard to get it in there. Alright, I think I got that in there. All I have to do is put these screws back on here. All right. Sorry, keep banging you guys. Not like that, but you know what I mean. Then I gotta get the top guy. I was gonna say, where's the third guy? Alright, got that dude out. I am hoping I guess we should put this one back in first. This is so fun. Got sweat in my eye because it's so hot. Maybe I should have just turned the AC on, you know? Maybe that would have helped out a little bit. Alright. Now let's put the lever on. Right? Hey. Alright. Please pray that this works. That didn't feel like anything. But it worked. Let's try it one more time. It works! Woohoo! It works! Yay! Victory! Alright, time to put this guy back together. I don't know what's going on here, but we're gonna vacuum that up, bro. This is nice. This is so stupid. All right, next, we are doing the door panel. Hopefully it's just this guy, this guy, this guy, and then it just pops up. I don't know why the little one goes down there. Oh, look at that. Little guy fell out. Great. Oh, they did break it. Oh, okay, there's a screw behind the airbag. Roger, Ramjet. That's big boy right there. Why we have so many size screws? All right, hopefully, come on. All right, guys, so I don't know if we're gonna get the first half of this video, but I have got the new, quote unquote new, but it's used part from Rover Parts Shop, the 5, out of Miami or Florida or somewhere. So shout out. So we're gonna put this in, and we're just gonna throw it in because it's a lot and it's hard to film. All right, we got it back, even though all the clips are not in, but it works. See, unlock, lock. We got it. Woohoo! All right, there we go. It's one thing down. Now I'm gonna do the wipers. Next, just a bunch of Phillips. It's pretty. I got the old filter, which is dirty. So I got a nice freshie to pop on in there. Pop it in there. That's one thing. Okay, guys, it's the next morning. It is the next morning, so now we are going to do the wiper blades. Oop, let me unlock the car. I am trying to wind down the amount of work here, and it's going pretty good. I scratched the hood, which you guys, so y'all figured out what color we're gonna paint it? I know, right? And I'm short, so we'll be needing this guy. Apparently you're supposed to do it to the left. Oh look, it cracked. Alright. Jesus. This one's sun-baked car. There we go. Alright. What in the heck is going on here? I guess you gotta take these things out. I don't know what this is all about. Alright. Am I doing it right? Yep. This is such a pain, just like everything else. Everything is awesome though, come on. Everything is awesome. Oop. Alright, I think that's in. I gotta fix our broken tub. Alright, that's it. It's on there. Alright, that's one down. One to go. Alright, and wow. This one is zip tied on, yo. Jeez. Zip tied on. I mean, I guess there is one good thing. At least you know somebody actually changed the blade. Ta-da. I don't even know if I should even change this one, like, you know? Like, look at that, that's crazy. Why is my life so crazy, yo? Like, I just don't understand. You know what? We're just gonna leave this one alone for now. You know what? Maybe not. We should change it. That means I gotta play with zip ties. Yeah. Like, that locking thing can't cost so much money, right? Well, it's a good thing, because this one's already, like, busted. can't believe this thing is held on by zip ties, yo. I'm gonna have to look that up and order it. But for now, we'll just have to replicate, you know. For now, I'm just gonna have to replicate it. Insanity, you guys. Alright. Can't believe I didn't see that before. Maybe if I ordered the Bosch ones, it would have came with the zip ties, you know what I mean? With the locker. Alright, let's add this to the trash pile. Dunzo. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that piece because I don't like that. I mean, who would like that, you know? Who? Ooh, sorry. Alright, next. Light bulbs. Jesus. Alright. See if they come on. Nope, need the key. Need the key. Jeez, man, I know it's early in the morning. Alright, this one works. This one is out. So the passenger side is out. Why is my back wiper still on? Like, how do you turn that off? Alright. What is this guy? Spider. I can't believe I have a zip tied wiper. Alright, here we go. Twist it to the left. Oh, it all comes out as one. How nice. I don't know what that's supposed to be like that, but you know. Alright. Is it all one unit? Let's go look what I... Bruh. Bruh. Are you the same guy? Something different. Feels like I'm missing something here. Look at that. All right. See if it'll go on now. Why aren't you on there? What is going on here? Alright. I guess it goes on a certain way. Alright. Alright, that only goes on one way. Jeez. I think I got it. Oh, Lord. Huh. Okay, that was it. All right, let's see if that was it. Jeez. It is. Are they the same color? I think they are. So, yeah. That light bulb is out. Alright, so that bulb is out. Cool. Alright. Alright, guys. There's still much to do. I gotta change these pillars. I gotta do all these lights and stuff. This is now trash. Alright, we got the ghetto wiper. So yeah, there's still much to do, right? So we're gonna add this to the pile of trash. And that is all for today, you guys. Alright, y'all. We're moving right along with this thing. So you're gonna come back for the next one. And if you made it this far, I love you guys. Remember, help this channel out. I would like to grow and do this full time. You know? If that would be a dream. I'm not too optimistic, but you know, you gotta try. So hit that like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. And I love you. See y'all in the next one.